It's tough. Obviously it was a game time decision. I practiced pretty hard yesterday. I'm still in a lot of pain, man, but went out there tonight, gave it my best effort, and I'm just glad to be back out there with my teammates, man.
You were able to get down on that dunk, though, man.
Yeah, jumped a little bit. That was my left leg, though, so as long as it was my right leg, I'm all right.
All right, and obviously, man, tough loss today, man. Now it's 4 in a row. What can you guys do to kind of get this thing back right?
Get it back, man. It's super early. This is our 19th game of the season, so I don't think anybody in here is panicking right now. Obviously, you're never going to lose 2, 3, 4 in a row, but like I said, it's super early in the season, man. It's the first month of the season, so you got time to bounce back, definitely.
Do you think nowadays people focus too much on game-to-game results in the NBA and not just kind of letting the beat build and the season build?
Well, the thing is, man, you win 5, 6 in a row, you're the best thing out there, and you lose 3, 4 in a row, you're the worst thing out there. So it really can't be like that. You can't really judge a team off the hot streaks. Every team's gonna get hot at some point. I don't care how bad you are, I don't care how good you are. So you're gonna have highs and lows in a long season. So like I said, we can't get too low on the lows, man. Can't get too high on the highs, and just gotta keep pushing.
Saturday practice, then Sunday 2 o'clock you got Minnesota coming in. Their record hasn't been good, but they're still a NBA team like everybody else.
Absolutely. We definitely can't take those guys for granted, man. We're on the ski right now, so they're definitely going to come in super hungry, try to knock us off again. So we got to have a good practice tomorrow. Got to learn from the things we did wrong tonight, and hopefully have to be ready on Sunday.